So basically we have the landing page. So on our landing page we have the home, about us, services, portfolio, contact us and get started. So all the items there we can still change them later. But this is all we have for now. It's a one page application, like the one page website, everything is on this page. When you click, it will direct to the section where it is. And for this for the contact us menu or section. So we have this. You can see that all the content here are Adobe content. So we still need contents, banners, logos, and everything. Still need them here, and also content. So apart from that, about us, well written about us, then we need that as well. Services, we need to leave them out and give a brief description about our services. So that's about the portfolio. This will be like pictures from our farms, investors, and so on. Everything, any valuable picture that we may have at all will be under the portfolio. And we can change the headings as the case may be. So when you go to the get started area, so this is where the actual application starts from. Here we have login for admin. You can log in. When you log in, if you're an admin, it will direct you to the admin page. If you're a user, a farmer, a user in the sense that a user can be a farmer, a user can be someone that have a business that's marketing his or her business on our platform. Also researchers and which other one? So those are the business types. So now when you go to create account, you put in something. All these are dummy. The content here they're not that real. This is just the UI. So just for us to review it. So when you register like that, you can now log in. This is the user platform, the portal or dashboard for the user. So as a user or someone that owns a business that is marketing his or her business on our platform, or a farmer, so this will be your dashboard. If you have others, like some of your this thing has been ordered, if you have a product that you're marketing on the platform, on the mobile app, if someone place order, you'll be able to see it here, the list of all the orders. So the customer, the product, the price, delivery address, status, and here you can change the status of the order. If you've already delivered the package, you can change the status here. And as well, although depending on how big the team becomes in the nearest future, so we may need to include logistics support as well. So it may be the person that delivers it that confirms the order. So we are going to have a page for that separately on the open website. So someone that is the delivery does not necessarily need to log into someone else's portal to confirm. So from the page you can just confirm with the order number, so something like that, or the order ID. So that's for the order. Here we can, as the business owner, you can manage the order, see the orders that are in transit, pending order, completed order. So you see all of that. As for investments, you can create new investments. Investment is for farmers that want to create an investment package on our platform. So you create your investment, the investment duration, maybe your farm, you select your farm, the picture for the investment, starting date, end date. So the amount is not here. I'm going to include the amounts. So number of units, so amount per unit, and the total distance. We are going to add that to it. Then, so when you submit your investment at the admin end, we be the admin. We are going to be the admin. So we are going to see all the investments created by the investors or farmers or a business owner that needs money. So we are going to see it at our own end, confirm the person, talk to the person, do our background check before we approve it. Once we approve it, it will appear on our mobile app and people will be able to invest on it. So that's the thing about investment. Then when it comes to the manage, you see all your investments there, both ongoing and mature, you be under the manage and you can change their status. For the ongoing, like your investment that is currently ongoing, maybe people have already subscribed to it, and so we are still in the period so of farming. So it will be listed there, and the matured one will be the investment that okay that have that has already matured, that have been closed out, something like that. So mature in the sense that okay, you've paid out the people's money with their returns and everything. Hello, is anybody there? Although I'm recording, I just want to record it, upload it to YouTube, and send the link to the group so we can all see from that. Then we can drop our comments and everything. So that's for investment. Marketplace. So for the marketplace, if you are selling anything at all on the platform, you come here to create the products. So when you create it, we are going to see it. You can manage it here. We as an admin, we are going to see it at our own end. We can confirm after we've done our background check, so we can confirm your product will be on our platform. So this is your profile. You can manage your profile here. Use certain thing password, and you can log out. So that's it. It's not working. Yes, let it will work. So that's that. As for the, let me go back. As for the admin portal, so let me show you the admin portal. So here, put something. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. As for the admin portal, this is the
I
admin.
want you.
Now, this is the admin portal. So as for the admin, you'll be able to manage all the investments. So everybody, like if you have 1,000 investors or 1,000 farmers on the platform, when they create an investment, we are going to see all of it here. So it may not be one person or two person managing this platform for the admin. So or maybe later we can still have a categories that okay, someone will be managing this category as the business is growing. But for now, the admin, this is the platform for the admin, so you can manage all the orders. So the order that we place for, maybe they place an order for a particular product on the mobile app. So you can see it here. So to monitor that okay, this order has it been delivered, is it in transit? So that just the, although this thing, because the UI is just here, so there hasn't been any development. That's why everything is not really in order. So this just the template. Let me put it that way that we're going to be using. So at the end of the day, everything will look like this, but not exactly like this. Like all this button here now, most of it will disappear, and we are going to have a meaningful button that okay, this is the function of this one. Like this manager as well. When you want to manage, it will give you an option. Okay, you do you want to change the status to maybe in transit, delivered, or cancelled. So something like that. So that's for the order in transit pending completed. You can have them. We're going to have that list as well for the orders. Investment, which here as an admin you can create a new investment. When you create a new investment, you can create an investment for someone, maybe for a farmer also. So you select the farm, investment name, the duration, starting date and end date, then the, it's like I missed the amount and the units when I was creating this. So I'm going to add that later. So we can create an investment there, we can manage it. Although the only difference between the normal users portal and the admin is that the normal user, what you see on your own dashboard is the only thing that's the only thing that pertaining to you. So you don't have any investment, you won't see anything. You don't have any order, you won't see anything. But as an admin, every order you see it here, every investment you see it here, you can manage them. So then we have marketplace. We can create my products from here that we enter the marketplace, and we can manage the product that are there already. So here we manage users. So as an admin, you can manage the farmers on the platform, the business owners on the platform, the investors on the platform, the researchers and everybody. So we can create the user from here and also manage users. So you can manage users from here as well. Then farms. Now this is the list of farmers. Yeah, I said farmers. This is the list of farms that we have on the platform. You know, when we have farmers, all the farms that if you are a farmer, you want to create an investment for your farm. So we are going to register the farm as well on our platform so that we expect, because we are gathering money for you. We are the one that people are trusting their money with us. So we are the limelight. So if anything goes wrong, we'll be the first person to answer. So you have to confirm everything, check the background of the farm. Is the person actually telling the truth that okay, we want to invest on the farm? And also we'll be monitoring the farm as everything is going okay. So we are going to have the farm profiles here, get new farm, then manage the farms there. Agri business as well. If you are not, maybe your own is not a farm but an agri business, so we are going to have it here as well. This for the new business managed business. So profile, the admin profile to manage that. Then we have product companies. I don't think there's any page here. Production companies rather. So these are the big companies that maybe we partner with them to deliver products or raw materials to them and for researchers. So we can have them, maybe the people that are just coming to the field to see one or two things. So we have these are the last this thing there. So this is just the template. So now once we fine tune the model, so everything depending on the kind of model we are working with. So this is just here to provide the starting point. So we'll be starting from the main website to get the website running. Number one, number two, the way we want to, because right now we've not really defined like all our service. Okay, we were talking about the agric investment today. So the agric investment, how are you going to be like, how we are going to go about it? So who can invest and everything. So once we conclude on that, we are going to automate it on the website. That's number one. Talking about the marketplace, how is that going to work? We still need to discuss that before we can automate it. So and then how are you going to be generating money out of all these things? You know, when we are gathering money for someone and you invest, you pay your returns. We are doing the job for you. How are we gaining? So where's our own money coming from? So we still need to talk about that before we can actually complete all this go complete the dashboard. So we still have a lot of meetings to do before we can complete this. So but currently this is where we are as for the website. So back to the home page. Since we are using gray and white, so this is going to change. So we are going to have green and white color here. And as for dashboard too, we are going to have green and white as the main color. So that's what we have currently. Any question, comment before I stop the recording?
Ó dá pé mo like ẹ̀ gan, ó make sense o. Ó broad, ó dẹ̀ wà very detailed. So by as time goes on, ṣáká nọ́mbà tí ń padà login sí, we'll be able to see things. But it's okay to me, it's okay.
No. All right. Okay. I still drop this recording. Hello?
Okay. The issue of logistic. So shall I say is a thing that I introduce to them or only problem like I don't know, maybe you are getting my point.
Well, we still need to talk about everything and actually like conclude on how we want to run things before we can implement them. Even the investment, the marketing, we need to like spell them out one after the other. Okay, this is how we are going to be doing it. So before we can automate them, if the logistics is part of it, fine. So although when we are talking about like when we start the discussion, we are going to decide if we are to start logistics immediately, or we are going to introduce it later, or how we want to be like the delivery stuff, how it's going to be done. So we're going to so if necessary we can add it to it. If not, we, we leave it out for now. So we just have to take it step by step and make sure that our meeting we have them. So get there, sha. So let me stop this.